Ladies, let's talk fuel. Just like a car needs the right gas to perform, your body needs the right nutrients to power through workouts and achieve your fitness goals. It's not about deprivation, it's about strategic eating. What you eat directly impacts your energy, strength, and recovery. A balanced meal plan, specifically designed for active women, is your secret weapon. Think of it as a roadmap to success, guiding you towards optimal performance and a healthier you. We're talking lean protein to build and repair muscle, complex carbs for sustained energy, and healthy fats to support hormone production. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but when you eat it. Timing your meals around your workouts is crucial. This ensures your body has the necessary fuel to push through those tough sessions and recover effectively afterward. So, are you ready to unleash your inner athlete? Let's dive into a sample meal plan that will help you conquer your fitness goals and feel your absolute best. We've all heard it. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. And guess what? It's true, especially for active women. Breakfast kickstarts your metabolism, stabilizes blood sugar levels, and provides the energy you need to power through your morning. Here's a delicious and nutritious breakfast option. 1 cup Greek yogurt with 1/4 cup berries and a sprinkle of chia seeds. Let's break down why this is a winning combination. Greek yogurt is a protein powerhouse, essential for building and repairing muscle tissue. Berries are packed with antioxidants and fiber, aiding in digestion and keeping you feeling full and satisfied. And those tiny chia seeds, don't let their size fool you. They're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, promoting heart health and keeping you energized. Preparation tip: prep your breakfast the night before to save time in the morning. Simply layer the yogurt, berries, and chia seeds in a jar or container and grab it on your way out the door. As your morning workout fades and the afternoon slump sets in, it's time to refuel and recharge with a nutritious lunch. Remember, we're aiming for a balance of lean protein, complex carbs, and healthy fats to keep your energy levels high and your mind sharp. Here's a lunchtime recipe for success. Salad with 4 ounces of grilled chicken breast, 1 cup mixed greens, 1/2 cup quinoa, and a drizzle of olive oil and vinegar. This salad is a nutritional powerhouse disguised as a light and refreshing meal. Grilled chicken breast provides lean protein, essential for muscle repair and growth. Quinoa, a complete protein, adds an extra boost of protein and fiber, keeping you feeling fuller for longer. Mixed greens offer a variety of vitamins and minerals, while the olive oil and vinegar provide healthy fats and antioxidants. Preparation: tip grill extra chicken breasts on the weekend to use in salads and wraps throughout the week. Pre-chop your veggies to save time. We all know that feeling, the dreaded afternoon energy crash. But fear not. Having a healthy snack on hand can help you power through the rest of your day and avoid unhealthy cravings. The key is to choose snacks that provide a combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats to keep you satisfied and energized. Here's a quick and easy snack idea: a handful of almonds with a small apple. Almonds are a great source of protein, healthy fats, and fiber, providing a sustained release of energy. Apples are rich in fiber and natural sugars, giving you a quick energy boost and satisfying your sweet tooth without the sugar crash. Preparation tip: keep a bag of almonds and a few apples at your desk or in your bag for a convenient and healthy snack on the go. Section 5. Dinner of Champions. Refuel and recover. After a long day, it's time to refuel your body and promote muscle recovery with a nutritious and delicious dinner. Focus on lean protein sources, complex carbohydrates, and plenty of vegetables to replenish your energy stores and support muscle repair. Here's a dinner recipe that's both satisfying and good for you. 4 ounces of baked salmon with 1/2 cup of brown rice and 1 cup of steamed broccoli. Salmon is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential vitamins and minerals. Brown rice provides complex carbohydrates for sustained energy, while broccoli delivers a hefty dose of fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Preparation tip: season the salmon with your favorite herbs and spices, then bake it in the oven for a flavorful and easy meal. You can also cook brown rice in bulk at the beginning of the week to save time on busy nights. Section 6. Hydration, your secret weapon. Ladies, let's talk about the most important nutrient of all: water. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health and especially important for active women. Water plays a vital role in regulating body temperature, transporting nutrients, lubricating joints, and flushing out waste products. Aim to drink water consistently throughout the day, especially before, during, and after your workouts. You may need to increase your water intake depending on your activity level, climate, and individual needs. Here are some tips to stay hydrated. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and refill it throughout the day. Choose water over sugary drinks like soda and juice. Add slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint to your water for a refreshing twist. Remember, thirst is your body's way of telling you it's already dehydrated. So stay one step ahead by sipping on water regularly. Section 7. Meal Prep. Like a pro tips for success. Let's face it, life gets busy. But don't let a hectic schedule derail your healthy eating habits. Meal prepping is your secret weapon to staying on track, saving time, and resisting those tempting takeout menus. Here are some meal prepping tips to set yourself up for success. Plan your meals in advance. Take some time each week to plan out your meals and snacks. This will help you stay organized and avoid impulse eating. Cook in bulk. Double or triple your recipes and store leftovers in the refrigerator or freezer for quick and easy meals throughout the week. Utilize containers. Invest in a set of reusable containers to store your prepped meals and snacks. This makes it easy to grab and go when you're short on time. Make it fun. Don't be afraid to get creative with your meal prep. Experiment with new recipes, flavors, and ingredients to keep things interesting. Remember, meal prepping isn't about being perfect, it's about making healthy eating more convenient and enjoyable. Section 8. Listen to your body. Adjust as needed. While this meal plan provides a great starting point, remember that every woman is different. It's important to listen to your body and adjust your meal plan based on your individual needs, preferences, and activity level. Pay attention to how certain foods make you feel. If you notice any digestive discomfort, bloating, or energy crashes after eating certain things, consider making adjustments. Don't hesitate to consult with a registered dietitian or nutritionist for personalized guidance. They can help you create a meal plan that aligns with your specific fitness goals and dietary needs. Section 9. Embrace the journey, progress, not perfection. Remember, ladies, healthy eating is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be days when you deviate from your meal plan or indulge in a treat. And guess what? That's okay. Don't beat yourself up over it. Focus on making sustainable changes to your eating habits, one step at a time. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Remember, consistency is key. Embrace the journey and enjoy the process of nourishing your body and becoming the healthiest, strongest version of yourself. Section 10. Celebrate your success. You've got this. As you embark on this journey towards a healthier and fitter you, remember to celebrate your successes along the way. Each healthy meal choice, each workout completed, each step towards your goals is a victory worth celebrating. Don't be afraid to reward yourself for your hard work and dedication. Treat yourself to a massage, a new workout outfit, or a night out with friends. Positive reinforcement can help you stay motivated and on track. Remember, you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Believe in yourself, stay committed, and you will reach your goals. Section 11. Your fitness journey starts today. Congratulations! You've taken the first step towards transforming your health and fitness. By prioritizing a balanced meal plan and incorporating these tips into your routine, you're setting yourself up for success. Remember, this is just the beginning. There will be challenges along the way, but with dedication, perseverance, and a positive mindset, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. So lace up those sneakers, grab your water bottle, and let's get started. Your fitness journey starts today.